Peace. Welcome back. Just wanted to point out that what you're looking at right now is the pre-market. You can see that there are a couple high points where the market reached during pre-market and kind of traded sideways. So that's where I made my bias, just saying, okay, noting that that's the pre-market highs, and I seen where the pre-market lows were, which was a previous support, right? And so I made this trade. Don't remember the exact time, but it was around 10:30ish. Made the trade, got in. Again, that big green wick on the left is actually where the pre-market highs were. So my bias in this position so far was saying that the market or the price was going to go up to that peach color. That's what I was preying early in the market. I'm like, it's going to go up to the peach color and then it's going to drop. Why I thought that was because it was already up $5-6 pre-market, and when war times, it doesn't make sense for the price to just skyrocket today out of nothing. There were no news, no catalyst for that price even getting up to $10-11. So I patiently waited for the price to get to that level, which it didn't. It actually got to the pre-market highs, which is where you see the green and red to the left with the big long tickers. So I waited for it to get to that level, and that's when I knew that the price was going to reverse. So that's where I was hoping the price would reverse at. And so that's what ended up happening, as you can see. Price slowly started to decline, and you can see my money going up and down on the right. I mean, I'm down 60, down 30, down 50. Like, it just fluctuates like that. That's just how the market goes. You just have to be comfortable to stomach the money going up and down like that. And at this point, I've lost more, gained more, won more. It's just the way the market moves, part of the game. So, as you can see, the red slowly going down, the price action is slowly going down. And I also want to point out around this time that purple line that you see is the 50 EMA, or my 50 EMA, I think. No, excuse me, that's my 21-day EMA, and you can see that it kind of held support there for a little bit before it broke. But you got to keep that in mind when trading, that the EMAs are important. So I use that to kind of gauge where I'm at in the trade, and you can see right now I'm up almost $200. Should go in my direction. And I forgot to mention that I'm also in another trade. I'm in IWM ETF. I just totally forgot that I was in it and just focused on Qs. But you can see price got to where I wanted. I exited the trade. Had I stayed in a little bit more, I would have gained even more than that 470 something, because you've seen that the price kind of dipped to my support level, which is the white line that you see down there. That would have definitely had me like 5 and change. But yeah, that's what ended up happening in today's session. You can see by the time it's 11:18, I hadn't really spent that much time. It's my win rate for the day. 4 wins out of 100%. Those are the winners. And for the week, I'm doing pretty well for myself. You can see that I'm 3 for 1, or 3 and 1, and there go the profit for the week so far. So, that's where we at with it, man. We working, we continuously trying to elevate, and like I said, get up out of this hamster wheel. You feel me? Financial independence is not an option, man. It's a must. And I advise everybody that's out there to kind of like do the right thing. You know what I mean? Whatever that means to you, do it. And I'm out. Peace.